So now the very first question is, do you like all kind of people? क्या आपको हर तरह के लोग पसंद हैं? Shruti, do you like all kind of people?
No, sir.
Give the answer in complete words, like.
Okay, no, sir. I don't like all kind of people.
Fine. Which people do you like? Raksha ma'am, which type of people do you like? किस तरह के लोग आपको पसंद हैं? Which type of people do you like?
I like happy people, smart
हाँ,
people,
हाँ,
active people,
okay.
and geniuses.
Very nice, very good, very good. सारे गुण आप में हैं. Do you like those people who are lazy? Nupur, do you like the people who are very lazy? Nupur, can you answer this
Not at
question?
all, sir. Not at all.
Not at all. You don't like the people who are lazy. Nupur, one more
Yes.
question. One more question. It is there with you. Are you lazy sometimes?
Yes, I may get lazy sometimes, but then I realize that it won't work. So I immediately, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Show your face.
So it
Show your
sometimes
face.
with me. I also do get lazy
Okay.
for some time, but
Okay.
then I realize it, and then I like no, and should not be lazy.
Should not be lazy. Rashmi, do you like the people who delay the works? जो लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो काम को डिले कर देते हैं, देरी से करते हैं किसी काम को. आज हमने एक काम दिया 5 बजे तक पूरा करना है, वो 9 बजे तक पूरा करता है या नहीं करता है. डू यू लाइक रश्मि दिस पीपल हु डिले द वर्क्स?
No, I don't like these people who delay the work because they are lazy. That's
Okay.
why I don't like.
So my question is there, Rashmi, again. Do you delay the work?
No.
No? Really not? Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So then next is, do you like the people who are show off or flaunt? दिखावा करने वाले लोग. विदिशा, do you like the people who are show off and जो दिखावा करते हैं जिंदगी में? Who are show off?
No, sir, I don't like show off people.
Why don't you like the show off people? They have done something in their life. That's why they are showing off.
Sir, they show extraordinary.
इसके बाद ही एक वर्ड है मलाइनर. द वर्ड इज मलाइनर. मलाइनर का मतलब होता है जो एक ऐसा इंसान जो दूसरों के बारे में कुछ गलत बात ही करता है, हमेशा कुछ गलत गलत बोलते रहता है, इज कॉल्ड एज मलाइनर. तो डू यू लाइक द पीपल हु आर मलाइनर्स? रतन, रतन, डू यू लाइक द पीपल हु आर मलाइनर्स, जो दूसरों के बारे में गलत बातें करते हैं, उल्टा सीधा बोलते हैं?
No, sir, I don't like Malayalas.
You don't like maligners. Why don't you like
I
maligners?
like open-minded person.
Okay, you like
Because
the
I like
open-minded
open-minded
people only.
person.
हाँ, good. You like the people who are open-minded always. Good, very nice. Pranjal, Pranjal, can you give the answer of this question? Do you like the helpful and cheerful people?
Yes, sir. I like the helpful and cheerful people because they are very good in nature.
Okay. Are you helpful and cheerful, Pranjal?
Yes,
Are you always cheerful and happy and you are helping others? Is it?
yes, sir, always.
Very
Yes,
nice,
sir.
very nice, very nice. So Farheen, do you like the people who are short-tempered in their lives?
No, sir, not at all.
You don't like the people who are short-tempered. Okay. Why don't you like the people who are short-tempered?
Sir, because
Hmm.
they use very bad language, or
Hmm.
they say very negative things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you short-tempered sometimes? Do you find yourself in this category of short-temperedness?
Sir, sometimes it happens. Yeah.
मतलब you don't like yourself also sometimes. Because sometimes what happens with us that we do some of the acts and we say कि नहीं यार ये गलत हो गया. It's somewhat different, like मतलब somewhat wrong. That's why it
Should be
is.
in limits. No? Yeah.
It happens, it happens. Right. So next the question is there, do you like the people who are down to earth? ऐसे लोग जो कितनी भी ऊंचाइयों पे पहुंच जाएं, कितना भी कुछ अचीवमेंट्स ले लें अपनी लाइफ में, कितने भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएं, लेकिन फिर भी दे आर गुड फॉर अदर्स, दे आर द सेम व्हाट दे वर अर्लियर. रक्षा मैम, डू यू थिंक दैट यू लाइक द पीपल हु आर डाउन टू अर्थ?
Yes, sir. I like down to earth people because they are patientful and hardworking people.
Okay, can you give an example of that? That you know the people who are down to earth. Can you give one or two examples of that
Like
kind?
farmer, like soldier.
It's a good example. And now we are going for the next question. Do you like the शरकर persons, Vidisha? आपको पसंद है वो लोग जो बहुत ज़्यादा शरकर होते हैं, कामचोर होते हैं? Do you like the people who are शरकर्स?
No, sir, I don't like circle person.
Okay. Okay, what do you think about the quarrelsome persons? What do you think about the quarrelsome persons? जो झगड़ा करने वाले लोग होते हैं, झगड़ालू लोग होते हैं, उनके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं? नुपुर, what do you think about the quarrelsome persons?
I think that quarreling people are means we should not quarrel always, because I think that it is not solution for anything, for any
Okay.
reason, for any difficulties. Instead, we should think over it, analyze what is the problem and what is the cause of it, and then think over it, and then take everyone's opinion over it, and then conclude
Okay.
what we should do for it.
Okay, very nice. What do you think about the troublesome people? The troublesome people are there in the life, like the people trouble others sometimes. So, what do you think about the troublesome people? Shruti, what do you think about the troublesome people?
I don't like troublesome persons because first thing they interrupt you in your work, and secondly they irritate you very soon. So I don't like troublesome persons.
Okay. Do you have any troublesome person in your life that they just communicate with you and they trouble you, or you trouble them?
No, sir.
No.
No,
You
sir.
are
I
also
don't
not
have any
troublesome.
troublesome in my
Can you
life.
give any message to the people who are troublesome?
Okay. I would like to say them that they should stop.
They
They
stop
should
troubling.
stop
They should stop troubling.
troubling others, and also stop interfering in others' work, and always and stop poking their nose in others' work.
They have big nose.
Yeah.
So tell me an example that you know the people are nose pokers. They are poking their nose into others' matters always. They are just talking into the others' affairs and all this.
Yeah, we
Who
have
is
so many people, like every day we see a lot of people, like they don't have things to do, but they have one thing. They will, like, they will talk about each and other persons, like they will interfere in others work. Like if I have done something, so it's my choice that I am doing something, but there are some people who will judge me on whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm wearing. So yeah, there are some people.
Yeah, definitely. There are a lot. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
So they should not do that. They should not poke the nose into others' matters, and they should be
Yes.
good. They should not
And
trouble
they should
others
not judge
anyway.
other person by their clothes or by their behavior or anything. It's their choice. Just let them give the freedom to speak, to talk, or whatever they want to
Yeah,
do.
definitely,
Like,
definitely,
who are they to judge you, or who are they to poke their nose in his or her work?
definitely. Yes,
Yeah.
very nice.